the ultimate, whatever you got. Okay, so Kristin, take it away. Have fun. And if you've got your notepads and pens, and she's talking, I'd be writing down.
Thank you so much, Todd. Really appreciate it. Work to get better. Who was it up here on Bertrand's team that was doing 100 transactions? Can I ask you a couple questions? Okay, can you stand up? Can I ask you what you do in your day? What your day looks like? To do 100 transactions for one single agent, would you like to learn a little bit more from her? That's okay. Audrey can translate. So the thing is that, number one, congratulations, amazing. Is there any single agent, oh good, he's got a microphone. Is there any single agent in here doing more than 100 transactions themselves? Okay. Yeah, but you're a team leader, right? I'm talking about an agent on a team. Is anybody else doing that? Okay, so what does your day look like? How do you figure out which people to work with, and how is she managing? Because to do 100 transactions, that's what, 9 a month that she's closing. What does that look like?
Honestly, is it working? No.
So first of all, what is your name?
Marilise.
Marilise. Yeah. And she's with Bertrand and Audrey. So, RG. So what are you doing on a day-to-day basis?
Honestly, I have like a really good team behind me, so that's how it's possible to do it, because all by myself I can do that. And like everybody in the team is responsible?
Yeah.
Yeah, of something, so I can only focus on like what I'm good at and only focus on what I like to do, so be with clients and everything. So I think this is the key, like the team system is really the key. And of course I have a routine, so I wake up every morning, going to the gym, and after that, like.
Okay, so just kind of walk me through your personal day. Well, I think it will help a lot of people, because that's what happens is we get distracted. You heard her, the first thing she's getting clarity through going through the gym, right? So she's getting her mind set right by going to the gym to set her day off every single day with clarity. And then what are you doing? Are you looking at your clients? Are you scheduling the night before? Are you planning the night before? Are you planning, like how does that look?
Honestly, it's a little bit hard to plan, because I have like appointments really, like RG can tell me like, okay, in an hour you have to be at this place. So I'm always ready to go. Honestly, this is the key too, like be all in and always say yes. Like I never say no to any appointment.
So her appointments are on her schedule, which most of us, or a lot of us, use like even whatever we use, Google Docs.
Agenda, yeah.
Yeah. Or not Google Docs, Google Calendar.
Exactly.
But how are you looking for properties, showing properties? Are you letting people run your day? I mean, obviously you can't be, or you wouldn't be able to do this, right?
No, but in our team, we really do like a buyer's agent and seller's agent.
Yep.
I'm the seller agent, so I don't do like
Yep.
or some things, but it's just appointment. And no, I don't let anybody lead my day. I really lead my day, and I lead my clients. And take control of your clients is really the key, that, like you said. And that's it.
So you take control of your clients every day. You make sure that you're going from appointment to appointment. You aren't saying no, but you aren't overloading yourself, because you're making sure that you're closing, because I'm sure she obviously closes at an extremely high percentage, right?
Yes.
And that you're pre-framing your clients of what to expect from you.
Of course.
Okay? And then she's starting her day off routine every single day. And you're letting your clients know when you're available, when you aren't, and what's going to happen through the process. Okay? Great job.
Thank you.
All of us can have a blown deal. We all do. And we let the deals